Hey there, YouTube fam. Today, we've got something truly amazing to talk about. The BOSICTE Personal Size Blender. If you're someone who's always on the go and loves staying healthy, this portable blender is going to be your new best friend. Stick around and we'll show you why. Here it is, folks. The BOSICTE Personal Size Blender. It's compact, lightweight, and powerful. Perfect for making your favorite smoothies, shakes, and more. Anywhere you go. Using it is a breeze. Just add your favorite ingredients, press the button, and watch the magic happen. In just seconds, you'll have a delicious and nutritious drink right in your hand. Taking a sip. It's not only convenient, but also delivers the perfect consistency. No more lumps or chunks in your drinks. And here's the best part, folks. The BOSICTE blender is portable. Take it with you on your adventures, whether it's hiking, camping, or even just to the office. It's the ultimate companion for your active lifestyle. Need a quick post-workout shake? This blender's got your back. It's the ideal gym buddy for that protein boost. And check this out. It's Oz Rechargeable. No need to worry about batteries or finding an outlet. Charge it in your car, with your laptop, or even a power bank. In a coffee shop. Are you a coffee lover? The BOSICTE blender can even whip up your favorite coffee drinks. Say goodbye to those long coffee shop lines and hello to your custom coffee, made to perfection. Cleaning is a breeze too. Just add water and a drop of dish soap, then blend for a few seconds. Rinse, and you're good to go. Plus, it's available in a range of stylish colors, so you can pick one that suits your personality. So, whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a traveler, or just someone who loves a good smoothie, the BOSICTE Personal Size Blender is the ultimate must-have. Don't miss out on this game. Changing product. Grab your BOSICTE blender today and elevate your own. The Go lifestyle. The link to purchase is in the description below. Thanks for watching. And as always, stay healthy and stay happy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting product reviews and lifestyle tips. See you next time.